We've just acquired this Jaguar 2.2 diesel R Sport. It's in gleaming black, metallic. It's in lovely condition. It's got unblemished anthracite alloy wheels, R Sport body styling kit, rear spoiler. It's got rear camera, rear park distance control as well. Got electric windows, electric mirrors, paddle shift on the gearbox, half leather Alcantara seat trim. Inside the car, R Sport steering wheel, lovely inside. Cruise control, full menu, climate control, navigation. We've got Bluetooth streaming for audio and music, navigation, reverse camera, so if you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.